to day 11 of my raw fruitarian weight loss test. And my waist is about 26.5. So my waist is shrinking. Hips are still at 37, about the same as yesterday. And my thighs are just a little bit under 21. So, relatively not much difference from yesterday. My waist is seeing the most improvement. My waist is down from yesterday. Everything else is about the same. My weight is still hovering around 132. So, I don't know why I'm hovering in 32 for so long. I've been at 132 for several days. So, I did go jogging for 30 minutes yesterday. That's my highest time so far. 30 minutes straight without stopping. And jogging is really good for your tummy because when you run, your body doesn't allow itself to slouch. You have to stand up straight, and standing up straight requires you to engage your stomach muscles because your stomach muscles help hold up your upper body, and your spine has to be straight. It's a good arm workout too because your biceps are helping to hold up your forearms while you jog. So your biceps are kind of in a constant state of flex while you're jogging. So other than that, I'm feeling good. I'm still eating all raw fruit and fruit seeds. Again, I stopped eating greens and vegetables a few days ago. And I feel fine not eating vegetables. It's actually, I like it better. I never really enjoyed eating carrots and broccoli and root vegetables because they're kind of bland in flavor, so I never really looked forward to eating them as much as I did fruits. So just a fruit-based diet with fruits and fruit seeds has been fine so far for me. And just staying at it. I did get some bad cravings yesterday, and I think I know why. It's because I didn't eat any coconut yesterday. All day yesterday I didn't have any coconut. And I think that's why I was getting really bad cravings for cooked food. I just wanted like a big heaping pile of mashed potatoes covered in salt and pepper and some fried onion rings, and you get cravings like that. Because that's the kind of stuff that we grew up with. It's all around us. And it's hard to resist sometimes. It is. But as long as you find out what are your favorite foods and keep those foods around you all the time and don't deprive yourself, it's pretty easy to eat raw and to stick with it. So today I'm going to be eating this whole cantaloupe. And one thing I discovered, since I don't like to put food in my refrigerator, it's instead of having to leave things on the counter and attract fruit flies. As you can see, there's probably fruit flies flying around. I like to leave my windows open. So it attracts a lot of fruit flies. It does not attract things like ants and roaches, only fruit flies. I find ants and roaches are only attracted to processed foods and cooked foods. But just leaving fruit on your counter will not attract ants or cockroaches, only flies, specifically fruit flies. So it's good when you break something open to eat it, eat the whole thing, like right away, instead of having to leave it on the counter and attract flies. Because sometimes it can be hard to do that, but that's one thing I'm shooting for. So when I eat this melon, when I open it up to eat it, I'm going to try to eat the whole thing really quickly so I don't have food lingering on the counter. Because your kitchen can fill up with flies pretty quickly, especially if you like to leave your windows open like I do. Okay? So I'm feeling good. I'm just waiting to get down to my weight down to the 120s, and then I'll be really happy. But I'm feeling good so far. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.